my role of business transformation was recently created. So I'm leading the discovery or the process itself and improvements in different areas of the company, which one could be the global expansion. So I am constantly in contact with chefs, with our innovations team, with our sales teams, even our business teams overseas, to really bring the knowledge together and make sure that we are bridging the gap that we certainly have in certain areas to evolve as a business. Being first to market in items that we produce gives us the recognition of being creative and really allowing the organization to function in a way that chefs can be comfortable taking risks, making mistakes, and really bringing something new. It's kind of the opposite of what normally you would see at some food companies. And then when you bring that to market and there is the acceptance on the other side, and then you see the demand being created, that's very unique. I don't think that's how businesses function today in the food environment. So once an item is created, all the recipes and the processes that are involved in that are something that deserve some protection. So the Egg Bites is a good example of that. So we brought that to market. There was no item like it. And then after a few years, now you see it in every supermarket. There's other competitors trying to do the same. So that's where I think intellectual property comes in. I think the company today is very successful in many ways. The culture is very driven by passion, by innovation, by ingenuity. We have so much greatness in the creation of our chefs and in the things that we can bring to market at the speed that we can. I would love to see that made more broadly and really see the business grow in that direction and get the recognition that it deserves. I'm Juliana Farah, and I'm the EVP of Business Transformation.